Hey everyone, Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com, and you may remember that we did a review on this. This is the Power Color RX 6700 XT. Well, now they've got a new version, and spoiler alert, it's white. Let's do this.
Are you a champion in the making?
Yeah, I mean, my mum always calls me a little champ, so...
Then you need the new Corsair Champion Series K70 10 keyless keyboard to heighten your gameplay and really kick the competition's arse.
So I'll be an even better gamer if I get one?
Yes, thanks to the 8000 Hz hyperpolling, a durable aluminium frame, and a tournament mode switch that disables the macros and lighting for those intense gaming sessions. You'll be tearing up the battlefield in no time.
Wow, I can't wait to show everyone my sick moves. Yeah!
No, stop that now, and click the link in the description below. Seriously, stop dancing.
So, it's been a while since I did any kind of unboxing, so I actually want to sort of unbox this because I haven't actually seen it myself at all. But from what I've been told, it is an RX 6700 XT. It is exactly the same as this, which is the new version that Power Color brought out, the HellHound. Quite a cool name, I've got to admit. And they said that basically they now have a white version. So can we have a look at it? Now they did say that performance-wise, it's exactly the same as this. So I'm not really gonna go through the performance kind of side of things too much, but we will put up some charts and everything showing this one, because I mean, at the end of the day, there's no point us really sort of doing anything with this card on the performance side of things, because it is absolutely 100% identical to this one here. Now, white graphics cards, that's something that's always interested me because, well, it's just something a little bit different from the norm. You don't normally see many white graphics cards out there, but this is, I guess, what they're calling the HellHound Spectral White. And just straight away from the box, I mean, I'm kind of excited about this because you have got motherboard manufacturers on the market now, like NZXT, who have got, I guess, the motherboards with like white armor on there. No one's really doing the whole kind of white PCB anymore. I think the last ones who really did anything was maybe MSI. And they had their kind of, motherboards that had the white PCB, that had white accents on there. This one I'm expecting to look absolutely amazing because, well, it's not just a white cooler. It actually does have a white PCB as well. So let's just get this unboxed and see what we're actually talking about. So, quick installation guide. There's basically a QR code, so yeah, you can look that up. And this is kind of what we're looking at inside. So pull here, and we can get our first glimpse of the card itself. So, anti-stack bag, we'll take it out of there. And then we get the first glimpse of the card itself. And come on, look at that. That looks absolutely amazing. And you know what we've got to do? We've got to do it on film. We have to do the peel. So if we can find somewhere to actually peel it from, we can do it. And even the back plate as well has something on there that, again, we can just, yeah. And there we go. This is the HellHound. So the backplate straight away, I mean, everything looks basically identical apart from everything is now white. So we do have the white backplate with the HellHound on there. I'm expecting some kind of RGB on there. We have the 3 fans, which, if I remember rightly, on the original HellHound, it did sort of every single fan lit up, but there is a little switch on there if you do want to take the LEDs and turn them off. 2 8-pin connectors. Other than that, this is an identical card. So I think what we need to actually do is now get a test bench in here and see what this looks like once it's all lit up. So test bench is here, graphics card is on there. Let's have a look and see, well, what's going on. So firstly, we need to turn it on. Oh yes, so you may remember the original HellHound, this one here, actually had, I think it was blue fans on it. So obviously they've gone full kind of all out when it comes to the white. So we have got the white card, the PCB is white, the fans are white, but as I mentioned, there is a switch if you want to turn it off. Now I'm a massive fan of white PCs, white builds, white graphics cards, white anything really. And this, it just takes it one step further. There's so many brands out there who don't really get white quite right. So there are brands like Corsair, there are brands like Cooler Master, NZXT, where the white always kind of has like a slight purple tone to it, or a green tone, or a blue tone. But as you can see from this, it is a true pure white, and it looks absolutely amazing. So I did mention performance-wise, it's exactly the same as the original HellHound. So now you have got the choice of the white one or the black one with the kind of, you know, blue RGB fans on there. And I haven't actually been told any word or anything revolving pricing. You'd like to, in a fair world, think that this is going to be the same price as this, but you do have to remember this is probably going to come in maybe limited supply runs. So it is going to cost Power Color more money to manufacture this card in white compared to the original HellHound. So you're probably going to be looking at a premium. And I think as long as it's under, let's say, 20, 30 pounds, 20, $30, I think it's worth it just for the extra aesthetics that you're actually going to be getting with this card. So that is pretty much it when it comes to what we actually have here today. I wanted to make a video just really to show this off to you guys, because I do feel like hopefully this, I don't know, maybe spurs other brands onto potentially doing cards and maybe even doing motherboards again with white PCBs, white coolers, all this kind of kit and caboodle that's going on here. So I will put up a few just performance figures as we end this video, just so you can see exactly how this card performs. As I mentioned, it's exactly the same, but now you just have something that just looks so much nicer. And I've got to admit, I've tested a lot of 6700 XTs, we've had a lot of 6800 XTs. You know, it's always nice having your Gaming X trios from MSI, you've got your Sapphire kind of, you know, coming up with some new models. This, however, is probably one of my favorites now. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know exactly what to do. And I'm gonna leave you with the benchmarks of the 6700 XT HellHound. It's up to you. Do you buy it in black or do you buy it in white? The decision's yours. Cheers, guys. I'll see you in the next one. See you later. Bye-bye.